The design now, this is my rectangle container, right? And these are the lines. But these lines, I've already put it into a group, lines group. Understand? So what you do is you do this container, you duplicate it, right? You see I have two rectangles here now. I have two rectangles, that is my container. Then I'll pick this first rectangle and the line group, right? And then put it in a mask. Do you understand? Put it in a mask group. Then are you seeing now? All the lines are inside the container. Then I can now choose to carry both the mask group and the other rectangle and then put it inside another group. You understand? I can choose put in it, because if I minimize this one, you see that it's gone. I can just choose to put it into one group, so all of them will be in a group, right? Group 666 or more, it is well. So you see now that this is my mask group. The lines are now inside the container rectangle. I hope that helps.